Okay, hi, it's Mikey. I'm going to make a quick video on this speed control of the KBAC-27d. So the middle switch I have here is a dual pull, dual throw switch that uses 1/4-inch spade terminals on the back. And inside on the KBAC-27d, if you see these spade terminals, you'll see a black Dupont connector. See if I can get that to focus a little better. Black Dupont connector that I've wired up with 3 wires, and they're fairly thin wires to be able to use in a Dupont connector. They're probably 20 gauge or 22. I can't remember 100%. But I've got 3 wires. The colors are gray, white, and black in that order. And the white is the common. So when the gray and the white are shorted together, the speed is normal on the KBAC. But when you short the white and the black together, it does speed doubling at half the torque. So those wires get traced back through this little set of wires I have to this switch right here, the middle switch that I have wired. So again, you can see the gray wire, the white wire, and the black wire that I have wired in there, so it's a little harder to see. I actually have them in ferrules, and then actually have them in the actual spade terminals that then plug into the switch. But that is how you wire in the speed control for the KBAC-27d if you want to be able to run a grinder or a buffer or whatever you want to connect this up to at twice the speed with half the torque above 60 hertz. But a buddy of mine was hooking this up, so I wanted to make a little video for him. Okay, it's Mike Heydrich. Thanks again. Bye.